Understanding Salmon Scale in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, salmon scale. This may sound fishy at first, but we'll explore its meaning and use in the English language. So, let's get started. The term, salmon scale, doesn't refer to a scale used to weigh salmons. In fact, it's not a commonly used idiom or phrase in English. It could be a literal reference to the scales on the skin of a salmon fish, which are quite small and delicate. In a metaphorical sense, though, one might use it to describe something that is intricate or detailed, drawing a parallel to the fine pattern of a salmon's scales. When talking about a salmon's scales, we're discussing the small, overlapping plates that cover the fish's body. These scales protect the fish and also play a role in their movement through water. This could be useful in contexts like biology or cooking where specificity is important. Metaphorically, if someone uses the term salmon scale, they might be speaking about an issue or a task with many subtle nuances or complexities. For example, the negotiations were on a salmon scale of complexity, suggesting that there were many fine points to consider. If you find yourself in a conversation where this phrase could fit, remember that clarity is key. Since salmon scale is not an established idiom, its meaning might not be immediately clear to all listeners. It's always a good idea to follow up with an explanation to ensure understanding. We hope this video has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary, even if it's a bit unusual. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in appreciating both the literal and figurative meanings of words and phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll be scaling the heights of English proficiency in no time.